The Monte Carlo Casino stands as a beacon of opulence, its ornate facade shimmering under the sun's golden caress. Monte Carlo, a symbol of elegance encapsulating the casino's timeless allure. A breathtaking panorama unveils Port Hercule, where a fleet of opulent yachts dances on the shimmering Mediterranean, embodying the pinnacle of luxury. The camera glides over the sleek lines and polished surfaces of the yachts, revealing a world of extravagance and exclusivity. The cityscape of Monte Carlo rises majestically in the background, a testament to architectural grandeur and timeless elegance. Luxury on the Mediterranean. The Prince's Palace stands radiant under the sun, its ancient stones whispering tales of centuries of power and history. The changing of the guard, a vibrant spectacle of red and white, unfolds against the majestic backdrop of the palace. Home of the Grimaldi dynasty, cementing the legacy of the palace and its rulers. Amidst the Michelin-starred restaurant, soft lighting casts a warm glow on exquisitely presented dishes, promising a culinary journey. A culinary paradise. Each dish is a testament to culinary artistry, a symphony of flavors waiting to be discovered. Under the radiant Monaco sun, a vibrant montage captures the essence of Monaco's bustling streets. Charming local shops line the avenues, their colorful displays adding to the city's lively atmosphere. A flurry of people fills the streets, each living their day against the backdrop of Monaco's unique charm. In the Japanese garden, the essence of a Zen oasis unfolds, capturing the serenity and exquisite design. Tranquil ponds reflect the clear sky, enhancing the garden's peaceful ambiance. Manicured greenery and stone lanterns create a harmonious balance, inviting contemplation and calm. The Formula One track explodes with raw speed and heart-pounding excitement as cars blaze through the raceway. Adrenaline surges as a Formula One car pushes the limits on the track, capturing the essence of high-speed competition. In a symphony of speed and precision, Formula One cars navigate a challenging turn, showcasing the thrilling dance between man and machine. Inside the Oceanographic Museum, vibrant marine life and informative displays beckon, inviting exploration and discovery. Larvotto Beach, where crystal-clear waters meet the golden sands, an invitation to serenity. Relax on Larvotto Beach. The breathtaking panorama of the Mediterranean Sea unfolds from the St. Martin Gardens, a vista of serene beauty. Breathtaking views, emphasizing the awe-inspiring scene. Monaco at night emerges as a city that never sleeps, a glittering jewel set against the velvet sky. The camera glides over the bustling nightlife, capturing the electric energy of glittering casinos and exclusive gatherings. Lights dance across the water, reflecting the city's boundless energy and captivating allure. Monaco, the city that never sleeps. As the sun descends, Monaco unfolds in a panoramic embrace, its beauty amplified by the vibrant hues of twilight. Bathed in the radiant glow of the setting sun, Monaco transforms into an unforgettable experience.